Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Skillet. In this video, I'm going to tell you about one of the most unique DeFi passive income projects out there right now. And this one is called Prosperity Gem Ventures. Now, there is a lot to say about this project, okay? This one is truly a one-of-a-kind project for many reasons, and we're going to get into all of that in this video. But first, to give you a brief introduction, Prosperity Gem Ventures is a passive income project that generates profits through liquidity pool staking and bot trading, and it pays investors a very nice return of up to 2% daily with very low fees and weekly withdrawals. Plus, they allow a 100% full refund at any time after the first 15 days. Now, perhaps the most important thing about Prosperity Gem Ventures is the transparency of the team. Alright, the creator behind the project is Manny D, who is fully doxed. Okay, he's a well-known guy, and now he's created this amazing project, and as you'll see later in the video, this guy shows the investors everything. Okay, they post the actual bot trade results in their Discord. They openly reveal exactly how much money is in the trading account, and they're just generally very good about communicating openly with us, the investors, so we always know exactly what's going on with the project. And that is a very, very important thing when it comes to DeFi projects, especially right now, as we've seen so many projects fail in recent times, either because the mechanics of those projects limited their lifespan or because the team weren't honest and straight up rugged the project. So that's why I've been so impressed with Prosperity Gem Ventures, because they truly have a level of transparency that you just don't see anywhere else with other DeFi projects. Now, there is some very important news that you do need to be aware of. Okay, Manny has just recently announced that Prosperity Gem Ventures will stop allowing new investors to join the project starting January 1st, 2023. So if you want to get invested in this project, now is the time, guys. So watch this video carefully, because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Prosperity Gem Ventures. I'll break down exactly how this project works. I'll show you inside my account so you can see how much I'm earning. And of course, after watching this video, if you want to get invested with this project yourself, I've got a link down below in the description where you can get started. But first, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Crypto Skillet, where we talk about all things crypto and I share the latest and greatest DeFi projects and ways to make passive income with you guys. So if you're into making passive income, go ahead and leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel. And remember that none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing my thoughts, experiences, and opinions. So always do your own research and invest at your own risk. And now with that said, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the Prosperity Gem Ventures website. And as you can see here, they have 3 different contracts. So they have the BSC site, the Tron site, and the Polygon site. And they all work the same way, but the BSC contract is by far the biggest one, and that's the one that I'm invested in. So that's the one we're going to be looking at today. Now here it tells us a little bit more about PGV. So it says, Prosperity Gem Ventures is a DeFi dApp. We look to weed out Ponzinomics by creating real sustainable yields through bot trading and LP staking. With our technology, we believe we can create a long-term sustainable project. And then it says, Prosperity Gem Ventures operates through a smart contract. As a user on our smart contract, you understand that all deposits and payouts are done directly through our smart contract by the user's interaction with our smart contract. Okay, and if we go over to the actual contract itself on BSC Scan, you can see that right now the TVL is over $4.1 million. And as you'll find out in just a moment, this contract balance is designed to stay at around 25% of the total deposits. And as an investor, you will be interacting with the smart contract itself. So the contract executes all functions like deposits and withdrawals, etc. And now here they tell us a little bit more about the PGV ecosystem. So again, this is a smart contract project. And as I mentioned before, this project generates profits through LP staking or liquidity pool staking and trading bots. So right here it tells us a little bit about the LP staking. It says a liquidity pool always contains a pair of tokens in which you can trade. You can swap tokens from token A to token B and vice versa. When a new pool is created, the liquidity provider or LP sets the initial price. It will supply equal value of both tokens. Then they give an example of BNB and Cake, and it says in return for adding liquidity, we receive trading fees for that pair and receive LP tokens, which we can stake in farms to earn rewards. Now the trading bot, it says trading bots are programs designed to automate trades. In the typical scenario, you have to sit in front of the desk and pick which assets to buy and sell and at what time. Trading bots can easily automate the analysis and interpretation of market statistics. They can gather market data, interpret it, calculate the potential market risk, and execute buying and selling assets. Our protocol uses a trading bot which does exactly that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And as I've mentioned mentioned, they have been showing the proof of these trades, okay? They're posting all of the trades as soon as they close on their Discord group. So if we hop over here to the Prosperity Gem Ventures Discord, they have a section over here that says Trading Bot Results. And now you can see here they are constantly posting proof of their trades, okay? So you can see the pair that was traded and the amount of profit that was generated from that particular trade. Okay, here they have the closed P&L, and you can see these different pairs right here. You can see the entry price, the exit price, the timestamps, and the closed P&L. And there are lots of different pairs that they're involved with, okay? So they've got ADA to USDT, SAN to USDT, AVAX to USDT, DOT to USDT, ETH to USDT, Link to USDT, and more. So guys, if you're involved with this project, I highly encourage you to join their Discord, because this is where they're sharing all of this information, okay? Again, one of the things that I really like about this project is how transparent they are. And we've seen a lot of other projects that use bots, or at least claim to use bot trading to generate their profits, but many of them seem very, very hesitant to actually share any of the proof. Whereas with this project, they are being 100% transparent, okay? You can't really get much more transparent than this, all right? These are all the details of their trades that we can see with our own eyes. Now, this project has actually been around for a little while, and it has gone through several different evolutions. So when this project first came out, it was called Crypto Gem Trading, and it was based pretty much entirely on bot trading. And I did invest in that project myself. Now, what happened is really interesting, because Manny was treating everything like a legitimate business operation, and he was taking all the necessary legal precautions and getting all the right documentation, etc. Okay, the project was based out of the state of Florida in the United States, and to make a very long story short, basically there was some legal red tape that required Manny to change the name of the project, so it soon became Prosperity Gem Mining. And they said that because of certain legal reasons, they needed to get a particular type of license, and that in order to get that license, it would take a little bit of time. So they had to change the model from a trading bot based model to a hardware mining model, and that was reflected in the name change. Now, they told all the investors that if they wanted to get a refund, they could just simply submit the application for the refund, and he would give everyone their money back. Now, as it turns out, Manny did in fact refund everyone who asked for a refund, and I was one of them. So I got 100% of my initial deposit back, and my plan was to wait to see how everything played out. Okay, I wasn't particularly excited about the hardware mining model. Okay, I was really hoping that they would find a way to get back to the trading bot based model, and sure enough, over a period of time, they finally did get everything sorted out, and they have now established this as Prosperity Gem Ventures. And once again, this is generating profits through trading bots and also through that LP staking that I just described. And those are both certainly very legitimate ways to produce this revenue. And again, because they are actually posting the proof of these trades, and because they have been so incredibly transparent, I personally really trust this team, and I trust Manny. So I decided to invest into Prosperity Gem Ventures and jump on board this project. And we're going to take a look inside my account in just a few moments. Now, here it tells you about the refunds. Okay, it says PGV offers a 100% full deposit refund after 15 days of your first deposit upon request. This means that once you, the user, have made a deposit into our smart contract, you may then request a refund of that deposit and any other deposits made thereafter 15 days later. Once you have made that full deposit refund request by submitting the Contact Us form on the website, your refund will be processed directly from the smart contract and will arrive in your wallet that you used to make those deposits within 3 to 5 days. Now, in my case, it only took about 1 day, or actually maybe a little bit less than that. But if we look into the contract itself, if we look at Right Contract, you'll see that Refund Wallet is one of the functions right here in the smart contract directly. And if we look back through the transaction history a bit, you can actually see where they have refunded wallets. Okay, like with this one right here, you can see that that was over $65,000 that was fully refunded. So the refunds are legit. Again, I can personally attest to this because I myself have received a refund from this team. And you don't just have to take my word for it, okay? You can go into their Discord and just ask around, because they really did refund everyone. So that really means a lot to me personally when it comes to team trust. Okay, hearing about it is great, but having first-hand experience is even better. Now, here it says strong community and team. The PGV protocol has a trustworthy team and fast-growing community. Our full community, admin team, support team, team chat, and much more are all in our Discord group, which can be found by clicking on the Discord icon to the bottom of our site. And again, I highly recommend that everyone get involved with their Discord, because again, that's where they post regular updates and communicate with the investors. And then here it says DeFi project. PGV is strictly a DeFi project. Therefore, it is important to understand that PGV is a high-risk protocol for which we make no guarantees of any kind. The protocol is sustained by liquidity staking and bot trading, but there are no guarantees. Due to the nature of crypto, please understand that this is a very high risk and volatile space. The value can go up or down quickly, and there are no guaranteed returns. And I love to see that they are emphasizing this because, of course, that is important to keep in mind with any DeFi investment, okay? DeFi is high risk. There is no such thing as a crypto project that is not high risk. So, of course, make sure that you always do your own research and invest responsibly. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose, etc. Then they have some info about the different networks that they support, okay? So they have their BSC contract, and again, that is by far the largest. You can see that was launched on October 29th, 2022. That one has a minimum deposit of 100 USDT with a daily reward of up to 2%. That is not fixed. Okay, they have said that this could fluctuate. They can change this on a weekly basis, and it does depend on the results from the bot trades. But so far, it has been a flat 2%. Now, you can withdraw from this project every 7 days, and you must have a minimum of 50 USDT in order to make that withdrawal. And again, you can get a full refund at 15 days after your first deposit. That refund process takes about 3 to 5 days, and you can also redeposit, but you must have a minimum balance of 50 USDT of rewards in order to make that redeposit. And finally, there is a 1% dev fee on all deposits and withdrawals. Then they also have info about their Tron and Polygon contracts. Okay, these basically all work the exact same way, just on different networks. So now I'm going to go ahead and enter the dashboard. Okay, so again, I'm using the BSC site, and here we are at the dashboard. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is connect your wallet. So right here, my wallet is already connected, but if you haven't already connected your wallet, this is where the connect button will be. Now, as you scroll down, they have a full site tutorial right here that's done by Manny himself. Okay, this is 48 minutes long, so it's very comprehensive and thorough. And again, that just goes to show that this guy really does care about this project and making it as great as it can possibly be for the investors. Now, here they have some key points that they list. Okay, so this is a DeFi project, and again, that means that all the deposits and payouts, etc., are done directly through the smart contract by the users. And this does use a trading bot. It says the sustainability of our project rely heavily on bot trading. PGV uses a trading bot 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We share the results of the trading bot we utilize in our Discord community group. And the project sustainability is also supplemented by liquidity staking, which is done through PancakeSwap along with many other decentralized exchanges. In return for adding liquidity, we receive trading fees for pairs and receive LP tokens, which we can stake in farms to earn rewards. Now, here you can see the contract balance. Okay, that's over 4.1 million USDT at the moment, with over 17 million total deposits and 12.9 million USDT total withdrawn. Now, it says Prosperity Gem Ventures. Here at PGV, our mission is to create a long-term sustainable project that people can rely on. And then below that is your actual dashboard area. So here it shows you your current BNB balance and your current USDT balance. And then once you have made a deposit, this is where the amount of your deposit shows up. So you can see I have a total deposit of 1,000 USDT. So right now I'm getting 2% per day, which means I'm earning $20 a day in USDT. Now, when you're ready to actually make a deposit into this platform, first you're going to need to have USDT in your wallet along with a little bit of BNB to cover gas fees. Now, with this project, you must have a sponsor wallet in order to make a deposit. So if you use the link down below in the description, it's going to automatically populate my sponsor wallet right here, so you won't have to worry about it. Or if you want, you can also manually paste my wallet address right here for your sponsor. And of course, I will leave that down in the description below. Then right here in this box, you're going to enter the amount of USDT BEP20 that you want to invest. Now, the minimum you can see is 100 USDT. So let's say that you wanted to deposit 1,000 USDT, you would just type 1,000 right here, and then you click the deposit button. And first you're going to approve that in your MetaMask. And then once you've approved it, you can deposit into the platform. And then as soon as you do that, you're going to see the amount of your deposit show up right here, and you're going to immediately start earning those rewards. Now, in this area, of course, it does show you your current amount of rewards. And below that, you have a button to claim and a button to redeposit. So when you click claim, this is basically just withdrawing your earnings that you see right here directly to your wallet. Now, the way it works is that this must reach at least 50 USDT before you can make a withdrawal. Now, again, right now I'm earning about $20 a day, so this would take me 2.5 days to reach 50 USDT. Now, if you have more invested, then you will reach that 50 USDT cutoff way sooner. However, there is a limit on how often you can withdraw, okay? So this is set to once every 7 days. Now, they've done this for a reason. Okay, again, they are using bot trading and LP staking to generate profits for this protocol. So when you make a deposit into the platform, it's set up so that up to 75% of those deposits are going to be used by the owner to fund that bot trading account and that LP staking. And if you've ever been involved in any kind of bot trading before, which I have, you'll know that those trades take time to execute. Okay, they've limited it to 7 days to increase the overall stability of the project. And so far, it has been working wonderfully. Now, they also have this redeposit function. Now, with this redeposit, this is basically a way to compound your earnings. So you take whatever you have earned and you redeposit it back into the platform, thus earning you interest on top of your interest. Now, you can redeposit at any time, as many times as you want, as long as the amount that you are redepositing has reached at least 50 USDT. Now, do be aware that when you redeposit, you're gonna reset that countdown timer back to 7 days before you can claim. Okay, so another way to put that would be that you can claim once every 7 days after your last claim or after your last redeposit. Again, provided that the amount is at least 50 USDT. So up here, it's going to show you the total amount that you have withdrawn, your minimum withdrawal. Of course, this doesn't change. This is set to 50 USDT, and then your next withdrawal schedule. Now, because I just made my investment into this platform recently, I have not made a withdrawal yet. So it says you can withdraw anytime now. Of course, once this reaches 50 USDT, I'll be able to do that. And then after I've made that first withdrawal, you'll see this turn into a countdown timer that'll start counting down from 7 days after that withdrawal. Now, if you ever need to make a full withdrawal of your initial capital, you can do that down here in this contact us form. Okay, and they have some info right here. It says if you are requesting a full deposit refund, please provide us with the contract you wish to receive your full deposit refund from, along with the wallet address you used to deposit into our contract. Okay, and then they remind you of that same thing again right here. So here's the form you can use to get in touch with the team or to request a full refund if you choose. Now, they have some frequently asked questions. Okay, so what is Prosperity Gem Ventures? This is a DeFi project that operates through a smart contract. By depositing into our smart contract, you understand that we will use 75% of the funds from our smart contract pool to funnel into LP staking and bot trading. How do I deposit on the smart contract? You need to fund either a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet with a minimum of 100 USDT BEP20, along with at least 0.005 BNB for network fees. Once you have done so, you can then do your deposit directly from our website or via our smart contract. Please understand that there is also a 1% dev fee on all deposits and withdrawals. This is how the project creator earns income from the project. Do you make any guarantees? No, we under no circumstance make any guarantees of any kind. We offer up to 2% daily on your full deposit. This means that there may be weeks where you earn 0.5% a day, 1% a day, 2% a day, even less. This will change from week to week based upon what we are able to produce through LP staking and bot trading. Now, again, I think this is a very good thing because this reflects a real source of profits and not just Ponzi-nomics. Now, what makes the project sustainable? Our sustainability is supplemented by LP staking, bot trading, along with our merchandise and NFTs. And they do have some very cool merchandise. Okay, up here you can see they have merchandise and NFTs, so you can check out those links. Now, is there a minimum withdrawal amount? Also, when can I withdraw? Yes, the minimum withdrawal amount is 50 USDT. You may only withdraw once per week every 7 days. Once you have done your first withdrawal, a timer will appear on your dashboard counting down from 7 days, so you know exactly when you can do your next withdrawal. Can I request to withdraw my full deposit? Once you have made a deposit on our smart contract pool, you may request to withdraw your full deposit after 15 days. Your full deposit withdrawal will be processed and sent to your wallet within 3 to 5 days. Please understand that only full deposit withdrawal requests are accepted. Also, once you have decided to withdraw your full deposit, you will no longer be earning as you have decided to take all of your funds out of our smart contract pool. You will also need to use a completely different wallet address if you would like to deposit again after receiving a full deposit refund. Why am I seeing a direct access to the smart contract's funds? Only the contract deployer has access to the funds in the PGV smart contract. The contract deployer withdraws 75% of the contract balance and funnels it into LP staking and bot trading. Our goal is to keep the contract balance at 25% of total deposits. Can my wallet get banned? Yes, your wallet can be banned from our smart contract if we find out any fraudulent activity is being done, such as creating multiple wallets for your benefit, along with any false advertising such as guaranteeing results. If your wallet is banned, you will no longer be able to deposit nor withdraw from our smart contract, at which point you will be provided with a full deposit refund within 3 to 5 days. So this just goes to show that they are really trying to keep this project as clean as possible. Okay, so if anyone out there is trying to game the system and do something fraudulent, or to promote this project using false promises, false advertising, they do reserve the right to ban your wallet. Now, as they say, if that were to happen, they do give you a full deposit refund. So they wouldn't just take your money, they would give you your money back, but you would no longer be be welcome in the project because, again, they are trying to keep everything above board and as legit as possible. Now, if you go all the way down to the very bottom of the site, you can see the link to their Instagram and also to their Discord, okay? So as I've mentioned, it's very important to be involved in their Discord community in particular if you are a part of this project. So again, there's a lot happening with this project at the moment. All right, I know one of the things that Manny has announced is that the Discord group is soon going to be only open to active investors. So in order to join that Discord group, you're going to have to verify that you have indeed made a deposit into the platform. And perhaps most importantly, once again, they are going to be closing this project off to new investors starting at the beginning of January 2023. Okay, so there's still a couple weeks left to join this project. Again, you can use my link down below in the description. And you know, it's actually a really good sign that they are choosing to do this. I mean, they've given the reasons that it becomes really difficult to manage this project when you have a lot of people just coming and making the minimum deposit only to then just immediately request a full refund after 15 days. Okay, this project has grown bigger and bigger and bigger, as you can see from the size of this TVL. And because the team are actually just managing this themselves, I'm sure that becomes increasingly difficult as more and more people come in who aren't really serious about the project. Okay, so they are really just trying to clean this project up and make sure that only serious people are going to be involved in this community. So I really think that this is a golden opportunity to get involved in an extremely unique project with probably the most transparent team that I have ever seen in any DeFi project out there. So again, right now I've only got 1,000 USDT deposited into this project at the moment, so that's earning me about $20 a day. Now I will be putting more money into this project very soon, and it's worth noting that if you're already an active investor in this project before that January 1st cutoff, then you can make as many new deposits into this platform going into the future as you want. Okay, so people who already have deposits will be allowed to just continue using the platform as usual. They just won't be allowing new people to come in at that point. So guys, again, now is the time. If you're gonna get involved with this project, don't miss this chance. So once again, there's a link down below in the description where you can check this out. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you enjoy hearing about these new and upcoming DeFi projects and ways to make passive income, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a future video. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter and join my Telegram group so you can stay connected. And I've got links for both of those in the description as well. So guys, that's all for this video. I will be making follow-up videos to keep you guys posted on my progress with this project. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.